Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This will be a very quick intro. I look a hot mess right now, but today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I take my own pictures on Instagram. Most of the pictures that you do see of me on my Instagram, I took them myself, just because sometimes it's hard to get somebody to come over and take them. So it's always good to know how to do things yourself. That's something that I live by. So I am currently at Best Buy waiting on something, and then I'm gonna go to Target and wait on that. It should be ready. I ordered it last night. I ordered some props just to kind of get my vision to come to life. I'm gonna post the screenshots on this video so you can see where I'm getting my inspiration from. Excuse my nail. I'm gonna fix that before the photo shoot too. But yeah, so I'm excited. I'm actually always excited to see something and bring it to life. I just love being creative, and sometimes Pinterest is the best inspiration. This should be a fun Saturday. Okay, y'all, so I cannot find a thick white sheet like what's in the picture that I showed y'all. I don't know. I've tried Target. They want you to pay $40 for a full set. I mean, it's worth it, but it's not worth it at the same time. Like, I could always use it for my bed, but I have white sheets at home. But for some reason, I don't want to use the sheets I have at home because I don't feel like they're thick enough. Where can I find? Maybe I should try Walmart. One of my friends just told me that it looks like painter's cloth. So that's what I'm going to look for, painter's cloth. That makes more sense because that's probably why it looks so thick. So let me Google and find out where I can find some painter's cloth, and I will let you guys know how my search goes. I ordered the painter's cloth for pickup from Lowe's. I got 2 of them. They are 9 feet by 12 feet, so it's very possible that that is what is used in the picture. I would have never thought about that. I don't even know what painter's cloth is. Let me tell y'all, whatever I ordered was not what I was looking for. It was plastic, and plastic would not work at all. So then I eventually had to go inside the store and look for what I was looking for myself. I finally found the proper cloth, and that's what you see here. And then you're gonna see the towels and the robe, and those 2 things I got from Target. So I do have backdrops that I do use for my regular photo shoots. I'm going to use the white one to put behind the cloth just so it's a clear, solid background. So from this point on, you're going to just see me setting up the entire scene, putting everything together, and after I'm finished, you'll see the final look. Okay, so I am at the photo shoot scene, and behind me you see what I put up earlier, and the only thing that I'm gonna need to take these pictures are this clicker, and then I have my lights, and I have my camera, and then there's me. So I had this chair, y'all saw I had the wine, I had my book, and I'm just excited to show y'all the final product. So basically what I do is I go on Pinterest. I normally get some type of inspiration if I don't already have my own inspiration, and then I figure out what ways I can buy the props in the cheapest way as possible. I go and get them, and then I set them up, and I kind of vision it in my head before I get them so I know exactly what I need and where it's gonna go. Once I do that, I come home, I set up in my little studio area, or it can be in my room or anywhere in the house or just anywhere in general, and then I just take the pictures with my clicker. Photo shoots are so much fun to me. I just enjoy doing my makeup and taking pictures and just feeling myself. And I want to take pictures for other people, but I'm not that confident in my editing skills yet. And I know that people really look for the edits to be like the best part of the photo shoot. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please leave a comment for me. And again, if you're not subscribing already, please subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day, y'all. So you're gonna see that my picture came out a little bit different than my inspiration. However, I still loved it and I still had an amazing time shooting these pictures. I hope you enjoyed.